All right, let me show you the actual shrimp food. All right, so I set up one right now, and give it a couple minutes. You're gonna get all these guys coming in here, and right now they're camping for the food. Right now they're up there, right up, and one's getting close right here, and I could just record these guys all day. I mean, these guys are beautiful, elegant little shrimp that I like to breed them. I like to have a bunch of them. And look at, I'm making them a garden just for them. So once in a while I throw a little waffle in here, and just to make sure that they have enough food, one or two, but I just throw one a day and if I see it that it's gone at the end of the day, that means they're not getting enough food. But right now they have a garden here, so they're they're gonna be here for a while. So I just throw one or two today, and then if I come back and see if there's any more. But look, as soon as we started talking, look what happens. This guy came out of his burrow, he starts eating, and then he's full. So but they're good. They're good. I actually contained them in two different containers. I took them off the bag and I put them in an old container just to keep an eye. And I see that they like more the green one than the actual orange one. So I'm going to sort them out too. But I just throw whatever is in there. So hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, look at these guys grazing on the waffles. Perfect for shrimp, if you guys can see it. They love them. So I'm really pleased with the actual waffles. So the shrimp waffles for them is perfect. I added some more because they're a little hungry this morning. So not bad. Hope you guys enjoy the video.